How to get Facebook monetization. So in this video, I'll show you how to turn on monetization for Facebook. And this is basically a platform that allows you to get paid for your Facebook content. Now, the first thing you need to do is just head over to the website facebook.com and then click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side. Now you need to make sure you have a Facebook page or a professional account set up on Facebook. So if you just press see all profiles, you can go and select your Facebook page from this list. Now, if you haven't already created a page, you can come over to this left-hand navigation and you can click on pages, and then you can just click on create a page to make your own page. Now, once you're signed into your page like this, you'll need to press professional dashboard on the left-hand side. You can then select monetization, and here you'll find your monetization eligibility. So before you can actually start monetizing your content, you need to meet a certain amount of requirements. So here are all of the different types of monetizations available, and if you go and click on any of these, you can see the eligibility requirements. So for this particular type of monetization, you need to make sure you reside in an eligible country, which I currently meet. You also need to make sure you have 500 followers, and you need to keep the 500 followers for 30 consecutive days. Now you'll find that each of these monetization methods require different things. So for example, if I click on subscriptions, you can see that this has different requirements. Now, the most important monetization method is this one here, which is content monetization. And this is basically how you get paid for Instagram Reels. So this is typically an invitation only program. So you'll need to be invited by Facebook to actually go and join this program. Now, what you can do is you can press the notify me button. And then when we do meet these requirements, we'll be notified via email. Now, typically you'll be invited to this when you have at least 5,000 followers on your page, and you'll also need to make sure that you're posting consistently and you have a certain amount of views, and then you'll receive an email when this program becomes available. So that's how to monetize your Facebook account. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.